Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do unbox the Oppo A1K, and it is a new phone from Oppo and it is costing around 21,000 PKR, and this phone is giving you a MediaTek Helio P22 processor with a 2GB RAM, and the specification more on the back of this box, and you can see, and here is a 6.1 inch 720p water dropper notch with a 4000 mAh battery size and a 32GB internal storage, and the color OES 6 version as well, and the color is having a black and more the specification about this phone. So let's quickly open this box and show you what this phone has to offer in the price range. And removing the plastic, open this box, and the first thing you can see, it is a mini box which contain, I think, a only quick start guide. Not only quick start guide, this phone is also giving you the silicone case as well as the SIM ejection tool inside of this little box. And here is the Oppo A1K, and you can see, so let's put the side here and look inside the box what this phone has to offer. And here is a very big the charger, and the pair rating is having a 5V with 2A charger. It is not the fast the charger from Oppo, and it is a micro USB cable, not type C. So let's put all the stuff to the side and look at the phone. And here is the Oppo A1K. So let's out the phone from this wrapper thing, and the first impression I have to say that the back is completely made of the plastic, and it is a matte the finish, and sides is actually made up of the plastic as well. And let's quickly boot this phone and show you the physical overview. On the bottom is having a headphone jack, microphone, and micro USB port, and the speaker. On the left is having a SIM tray. You can use 2 SIM card and 1 micro SD card at the same time. On the top is having a nothing. On the back is having the single camera on the back, and it is a 8 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, LED flash, and Oppo branding. And on the right is having the volume up and volume down rocker with the power key, 6.1 inch 720p display. This phone is also giving you the Face ID as well. And let's quickly show you the setup of this phone. And we are done with the setup, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A1K, and it is the color OES 6, and it is a 5 megapixel the front camera with f2.0 aperture with a water dropper notch. Let's go to the settings and about phone, and Android 9 right out of the box with some more the specification about the phone. MediaTek Helio P22 processor and a 32GB internal storage out of 20GB is available for you. And let's go back and let's see the display settings and auto brightness. The sensor is also here in this phone, and notification panel is also here. This software is also giving you some cool feature as well, and you can see, and the Face ID is looking very good in this phone, very fast as well. Let's look at the camera, and it is a 8 megapixel the camera on the front with f2.2 aperture, and the picture quality compared to the Samsung Galaxy A10 it is very bad, as well as the Vivo Y91C. And the back camera is recorded up to the full HD, and the back camera is also giving you the portrait mode, but it has the single camera on the back. Let's look at the front camera, and it is a 5 megapixel front camera with f2.0 aperture, and the front camera is also giving you the portrait mode as well, and the full HD video recording as well. And let's talk about the battery life of this phone, and this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size with support a 2A the charger. It is 1A improved compared to the Oppo A3s, and this phone is giving you a 1.5 day battery life without any problem if you are also a heavy user. And thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the Oppo A1K. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.